Hello, my friend. I am Bilwafi Rashid with you. I will start with you today English lessons. I know that you have so many difficulties with English language, and now we will start step by step to learn some texts and try to explain some difficult words and answer some questions. And we will every time make a text, and we will try to make comprehension and answer to some questions. So from time to time and step by step, you will have a big vocabulary and you will have too much information. You will can understand English language. Just follow me in my videos and you will be so fine. First lesson we have, its title is My Name is John. Let's read the text and explain some words, and then I will ask you some questions and we will try to respond it together. My name is John. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is John Smith. I am 19 and a student in a college. I go to college in New York. My favorite courses are geometry, French, and history. English is my hardest course. My professors are very friendly and smart. It's my second year in college now. I love it. I live in a big house on Ivy Street. It's near the college campus. I share the house with three other students. Their names are Bill, Tony, and Paul. We help each other with homework. On the weekend, we play football together. I have a younger brother. He just starts high school. He is 14 and lives with my parents. They live on Mulberry Street in Boston. Sometimes they visit me in New York. I am happy when they visit. My mom always brings me sweets and candy when they come. I really miss them too. Did you listen to the text? Now let's explain some words. The first word is my favorite. Favorite things. Writer say my favorite courses are geometry, French, and history. That's I like to study geometry, I like to study French, I like to study history. The synonym of favorite is preferable, lovely, lovable. Let's continue. English is my hardest course. Hardest course is very difficult course. My professors are very friendly. Friendly man is a man who like other people. A man who is warm, sympathetic, intimate, kind, social, and smart. Smart man is intelligent man and clever man. I live in a big house. Big house is a large house. I share my room. I share my house, or I share my house with other students. To share something, to divide, to participate something. I have younger brother. My younger brother is a brother who is smaller than me. Campus, I will return to the word campus. The college campus is the place where students have their rooms. They always is means every time. Sometimes from time to time they brings me sweets and candy. Candy is sugar. And that's all for the text. Let's go to the questions. We will do the questions after that. Now let's answer to these questions about the text. Did you understand the text? Please answer the following questions of understanding. First question: where does John Smith go to challenge? Before starting, I want to say to you Just listen to the question. I will give you some time and you will answer your questions, and after that you will compare your answer with the mine. Okay? Let's get started. Where does John Smith go to school or to college? John Smith go to college in New York. 2. What's John Smith's hardest course? His hardest course is English. 3. Who shares a house with John Smith? He shares his house with 3 students, Bill, Tony, and Paul. How old is John Smith's younger brother? John Smith's younger brother is 14. What does John Smith's mom bring him when they visit? When they visit him, they always brings with them sweets and candy. Did you answer your questions correctly? I hope so. Now I will go to another text after this video. Bye for now. Hello my friend. Now let's take another text and let's read it and explain it and answer some questions. I say that the good thing to understand any language is to read small texts and explain it, to know the vocabulary which is in this text and explain this vocabulary, understand their so very good text and answer some questions and step by step you will control the language and you will have too much information and vocabulary, and you will can do it in your communication and in your understanding in your understanding of this language. Let's get started. The title of this text is My Wonderful Family. I live in a house near the mountains. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I was born last. My father teaches mathematics, and my mother is a nurse at a big hospital. My brothers are very smart and work hard in school. My sister is a nervous girl, but she is very kind. My grandmother also lives with us. She came from Italy when I was 2 years old. She has grown old, but she is still very strong. She cooks the best food. My family is very important to me. We do lots of things together. My brothers and I like to go on long walks in the mountains. My sister likes to cook with my grandmother. On the weekends, we all play board games together. We laugh and always have a good time. I love my family very much. Did you listen to the text with me? Now, let's answer to the questions. Or now let's explain some words. Near, it's close to something. House near of the mountains is close to the mountains. I don't spend too much time to go from this place to this place. My father is a teacher, teaches mathematics. Mathematics is a subject. My mother is a nurse. The nurse works in a hospital. My brothers are very smart. Smart is an adjective. Smart is clever. Has the smart student is a student who have a big comprehension, speed comprehensions of his work. My sister is nervous. Nervous. A nervous girl is nervous who can't support others. But she is kind. Kind is sociable and amiable. My old is my age. For example, my grandmother is old. That means that is a big age. She cooks the best food. She cooks. I cook food in the kitchen. My family is very important to me. That means that I can't leave my family. I want to stay with my family. It is important to me. I can't be separated to my family. That's all. That's all the words which are so difficult. In the next time, we will answer some questions about this text. Bye for now. After the explanation of the text, let's take some questions and let's respond to it. There are so many simple questions, and I will ask the questions. I will let you some time to respond and to reflect to the questions, and I will give you the answer. So try to compare your answer with mine. What's his mother's job? His mother's job is a nurse. Where his house near from? His house is near from mountains. How old was he when his grandmother came? His grandmother came when he was 2 years old. What they do on the weekend? On the weekend, they cook with their grandmother. What's his sister looks like? His sister is nervous, but she is kind. That's all for the questions. I hope that you understand. I hope that you understood all texts. Try to repeat it by yourself, and you will have so much abilities and so much understandings. Goodbye for now, and I hope to meet you in a next video. Goodbye.